All right, we're here with the big 210, and she seems like she's almost ready for prime time. But see, she's got a nice movement to her. But I think the track's just not up to snuff. A little oil. She sounds good. I mean, you gotta remember, she's all metal. I'm not gonna let her go all the way around because it's not fair. She's not cleaned up. I mean, she seems clean, but she's been in the box forever. I mean, this is amazing. We could see some of the lights. I think you might appreciate that. And then the backlight. I don't want to go too far because the train is just not ready, the layout. It sounds like a Lionel, like an O scale, like when we switch over. I mean, it's not bad, really. It's just the track work. Boy, I'm disappointed in myself. Hey, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.